we're going to do our area model, 2-digit times 2-digit. And we start out by decomposing the 84, 84, 30, and 8. Now, you may, what I tell my students is, if you get confused and decide what do I need to do, there's no order in boxes. You can solve each box any order. There is no order. So if you want to cover that up, solve the basic fact first. 8 times 3, 24, add 2 zeros. Now you're left with 80 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Add 1 zero because you're only adding one of the zeros at the end. And then you can cover up the bottom. If you're getting confused, we already did 80 times 30. Now we do 30 times 4. Solve the basic fact first. 4 times 3, 12. Add a 0. And then you're left with the last section. 8 times 4, 32. Stack them up. Careful with your place value. I like to order mine greatest to least because when you subtract, you must have the larger number on top. And you're already training yourself to do that at all times. Careful with your place value. Don't be sloppy. We don't want to invite a mistake. There's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, we move on to our next problem. We have 73 times 51. We're going to decompose the 73 and 51. Okay, same thing. We're going to, you can cover up the bottom, solve the basic fact first. 7 times 5, 35, add the 2 zeros. And then you can cover that up. 70 times 1 would be, solve the basic fact first. 7 times 1, 7, and then add 1 zero. And you can do the other box. We did 70 times 50, now it's 50 times 3. 5 times 3, 15, add a 0. 3 times 1 is 3. And then we have 3,500. You have 150. You have 70. And then 3. Stack them up. You have 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 5, 6, 7. 3,723. And then the last problem, you have 19 times 73. Decompose the 19. Decompose means to break it apart. We have 10 and 9, 7 and 3. And we're going to solve 70 times 10. Solve the basic fact first. 7 times 1 is 7. Add 2 zeros. 10 times 3. Solve the basic fact first. 3 times 1 is 3. Add a 0. And then we are left with 9 times 7. 63. Add a 0. If you don't know your nines, then use the nines trick. 9 times 3. 27. Then we're going to add the parts. 700, 630, 30, and then 27. Careful with your place value. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1,387.